In this modern era, it's easy to have our head in the clouds. Distractions call us from all angles, pull us away from the moment. We dream and imagine what life could be like and miss what is right in front of us. It doesn't have to be this way, though. Beauty is all around us. We just need to open our eyes. Life is a gift with so much to see, explore, and enjoy. There is a vast world waiting to be discovered. Places that fill our soul and inspire us to be present. The unknown beckons us to step out of our comfort zone and embrace this journey we call life. All it takes is one step in the right direction, and the adventure that awaits us might be closer than we think. Sometimes you don't need to dream to escape. Reality can be incredible too. Adventure is worthwhile in itself. The exploration takes no imagination.